So,
I think Yasha wants me to come over.
oh, I'm gonna
So you're gonna go over there, my money. So we're gonna head over there, is that right?
to his house.
Yeah. Then we'll just come back to your house.
Okay, I guess that's okay. I'm pretty
You're tired.
sunburnt.
You're tired, I can tell.
It's fun too. Full 600 Honda Shadow, and a 2000. Does really well actually. And it's a totally different feel than Lois. I haven't named this one, but geez, it feels totally different. Not sure what she's doing. I think she's just opening up the garage for me. We'll see.
It's all good. You're fine.
You fine.
Yeah, I think he needs a diaper change.
Those are my favorite